So let's check back in with Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett. I mean, Scott, obviously you've said that this event could get more widespread throughout the day, but right now you are focused on some hail over in Graham. What's the latest there?
Yeah, near the Graham area, because that storm is severe and it's going to be pushing into Jack County over the next 30 minutes. So that's what we've been watching so far this morning for you. And looking outside our studios here in East Fort Worth, it's a gray morning. It is a first alert weather day for all severe hazards possible at some point today. But let's talk about what we were looking at as far as that severe storm is concerned. That does include Jack County and also near Young County until 7:15, that severe thunderstorm warning. Let's go ahead and zoom our way down to that storm that is continuing to work its way very fast to the northeast at about 45 miles per hour. Now, whenever you look at this radar with me, you notice this purple color to then the black color. That's where we have the hail core that is showing up. So I want to switch on over the product to our dual pole hail product, and that's right where our radar is able to see some of the largest hail. So I'll clear on out the illustration, zoom my way down a bit more to street level, and it's right along near Red Top Road and Turtle Hole Road near Loving. Switching on over to what the hail size possibly is. Walnut size hail to $half size hail right over red top to quarter size hail. So that's why the National Weather Service did issue that severe thunderstorm warning for Young County, but into Jack County, because it is moving northeast at 45 miles per hour, the potential is there. So let me put a latest track here for you. It's going to be in Loving at 6:53, Markley about 3 minutes after 7, Antelope 7:13, and Oakland 7:16. So please keep that in mind as you are making your plans this morning. I also want to point out that we do have some heavy rain making its way through parts of McKinney to near Melissa, right along the Princeton area to New Hope to Farmersville. Same story back through Greenville. Good morning to you. You're dealing with some rumbles of thunder and also maybe some small sub-severe hail. Also through Fannin County, we do have a special weather statement. What that means is it's a very strong storm, but not severe limits yet, as that storm is pushing its way northeast pretty fast, around 40 to 45 miles per hour. So that's what's happening as far as the first alert radar is concerned. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch in the southwest sides of North Texas until 10 o'clock this morning. That's where the dynamics are a bit better. There's better instability closer towards the axis of the area of low pressure in the upper levels. But watch how our aerial coverage increases. The storm coverage increases later on this morning, 9, 10 to near midday along the 35 corridor. Strong to possibly borderline severe storms. Hail being the big threat, some flooding, rains and damaging winds, at least this morning. Then as we go into the afternoon, it transitions to a low-end tornado threat as well, with a warm front lifting in and the heat of the day happening for us. Here we are 2 to 3 o'clock. A lot of the activity shifting east, but the potential of strong to severe storms remaining in the forecast. So there's that slight risk of any storms reaching severe limits. That's at level 2 out of the 5 levels, including a lot of North Texas. Northeast sides under a marginal risk of any storms reaching severe limits. Look at the gray sky right now from our Dallas City cam looking north. We are seeing 61 degrees, winds out the east southeast near 5 to 10. Temperatures have been relatively steady. We do have a flood watch that goes into effect in just a few minutes. 7 o'clock remains in effect all day for another 1 to 3 inches of rain possible on a very saturated ground that does include the Metroplex. Some forecast models picking up on that 1 to 3 inch forecast for today. The reason we've been in this pattern, we have what's called an omega block. It looks like the letter omega, area of low pressure to the northeast. There's high pressure between it and this pesky area of low pressure to the southwest. This actually gets cut off from the jet stream, so it's going to meander its way around over the next few days. That's been increasing our threat this morning as areas of energy, they're called short waves, rotate around it. That then's going to shift its way east, but on the back edge of it, we might start to see a little bit of rain return on Friday. But I think Mother's Day weekend drying out nicely. It is 61 right now at DFW, not dry. Easterly wind at 7 across North Texas this morning, upper 50s to the low 60s. We're going to try to warm our way up to about 69 for today, 79 Wednesday. But look at Mother's Day weekend. Dry skies, temperatures in the mid to the upper 70s.